Pharmacology 51 line notes, Q1 Q50. Q1. Pharmacology, study of drugs and their effects on the body. Q2. Pharmacokinetics, what the body does to the drug, ADME. Q3. Pharmacodynamics, what the drug does to the body. Q4. Absorption, movement of a drug into the bloodstream. Q5. Distribution, transport of a drug to body tissues. Q6. Metabolism, conversion of drugs, mainly in the liver. Q7. Excretion, removal of drugs, mainly by the kidneys. Q8. Bioavailability, fraction of a drug reaching systemic circulation. Q9. Half-life T1/2, time for drug concentration to reduce by 50%. Q10. First pass effect, drug metabolism before reaching circulation. Q11. Agonist, activates a receptor. Q12. Antagonist, blocks a receptor. Q13. Partial agonist, produces less than maximum response. Q14. Therapeutic index, measure of drug safety. Q15. Loading dose, initial high dose for rapid effect. Q16. Maintenance dose, dose to maintain therapeutic level. Q17. Potency, amount of drug needed to produce an effect. Q18. Efficacy, maximum effect a drug can produce. Q19. Side effect, unwanted effect at normal dose. Q20. Adverse drug reaction, ADR, harmful and unintended drug response. Q21. Tolerance, reduced response after repeated use. Q22. Dependence, need for continued drug use. Q23. Idiosyncrasy, unusual genetically determined drug response. Q24. Allergy, immune-mediated drug reaction. Q25. Placebo, inactive substance with psychological benefit. Q26. ACE inhibitors, lower blood pressure by blocking ACE. Q27. ARBs, block angiotensin II receptors. Q28. Beta blockers, reduce heart rate and blood pressure. Q29. Calcium channel blockers, relax blood vessels and reduce cardiac workload. Q30. Diuretics, increase urine output. Q31. Aspirin, irreversibly inhibits COX enzyme. Q32. Paracetamol, analgesic and antipyretic with weak anti-inflammatory action. Q33. NSAIDs, reduce pain, fever, and inflammation. Q34. Opioids, strong analgesics acting on opioid receptors. Q35. Penicillins, inhibit bacterial cell wall synthesis. Q36. Cephalosporins beta-lactam antibiotics with broad spectrum. Q37. Macrolides, inhibit 50S ribosomal protein synthesis. Q38. Aminoglycosides, bind 30S ribosome, bactericidal. Q39. Tetracyclines, inhibit 30S ribosome, broad spectrum antibiotics. Q40. Fluoroquinolines, inhibit DNA gyrase and topoisomerase IV. Q41. Sulfonamides, inhibit dihydroperoxidase synthase. Q42. Trimethoprim, inhibits dihydrofolate reductase. Q43. Metformin, first-line drug for type 2 diabetes. Q44. Insulin, lowers blood glucose by increasing uptake. Q45. Omeprazole, proton pump inhibitor, PPI. Q46. Ranitidine, H receptor blocker, less commonly used now. Q47. Salbutamol, short-acting beta agonist for asthma. Q48. Ipratropium, short-acting antimuscarinic bronchodilator. Q49. Atorvastatin, lowers cholesterol by inhibiting HMG-CoA reductase. Q50. Warfarin, oral anticoagulant that inhibits vitamin K-dependent clotting factors. Pharmacology, one-line notes, Q51 Q10. Q51. Heparin, fast-acting anticoagulant that activates antithrombin 3. Q52. Clopidogrel, antiplatelet drug that blocks ADP, P2Y12 receptors. Q53. Streptokinase, thrombolytic drug that dissolves blood clots. Q54. Digoxin, increases cardiac contractility in heart failure. Q55. Nitroglycerin, vasodilator used to relieve angina. Q56. Furosemide, loop diuretic acting on the ascending loop of Henle. Q57. Hydrochlorothiazide, thiazide diuretic used for hypertension. Q58. Spironolactone, potassium-sparing diuretic and aldosterone antagonist. Q59. Mannitol, osmotic diuretic used to reduce intracranial pressure. Q60. Acetazolamide, carbonic anhydrase inhibitor used in glaucoma. Q61. Diazepam, benzodiazepine used for anxiety and seizures. Q62. Lorazepam, used in status epilepticus and anxiety. Q63. Phenytoin, antiepileptic, causes gingival hyperplasia. Q64. Sodium valproate, broad-spectrum antiepileptic drug. Q65. Carbamazepine, drug of choice for trigeminal neuralgia. Q66. Ethosuximide, drug of choice for absence seizures. Q67. Levodopa, main drug for Parkinson's disease. Q68. Bromocriptine, dopamine agonist for Parkinsonism. Q69. Haloperidol, typical antipsychotic drug. Q70. Clozapine, atypical antipsychotic, may cause agranulocytosis. Q71. Fluoxetine, SSRI antidepressant. Q72. Amitriptyline, tricyclic antidepressant, TCA. Q73. Lithium, mood stabilizer for bipolar disorder. Q74. Morphine, strong opioid analgesic. Q75. Naloxone, opioid overdose antidote. Q76. Tramadol, weak opioid analgesic. Q77. Lidocaine, local anesthetic and antiarrhythmic. Q78. Propofol, intravenous general anesthetic. Q79. Ketamine, dissociative anesthetic with analgesic effect. Q80. Thiopentone, ultra-short-acting barbiturate anesthetic. Q81. Rifampicin, inhibits bacterial RNA polymerase. Q82. Isoniazid, INH, inhibits mycolic acid synthesis. Q83. Pyrazinamide, anti-TB drug causing hyperuricemia. Q84. Ethambutol, may cause optic neuritis. Q85. Streptomycin, aminoglycoside used in tuberculosis. Q86. Acyclovir, antiviral for herpes infections. Q87. Zidovudine, NRTI used in HIV treatment. Q88. Oseltamivir, neuraminidase inhibitor for influenza. Q89. Amphotericin B, broad-spectrum antifungal. Q90. Fluconazole, antifungal for candida infections. Q91. Chloroquine, antimalarial drug. Q92. Artemether, rapid-acting antimalarial. Q93. Albendazole, broad-spectrum antihelminthic. Q94. Metronidazole, effective against anaerobic bacteria and protozoa. Q95. Ondansetron 5-HT antagonist antiemetic. Q96. Domperidone, dopamine antagonist antiemetic. Q97. Loperamide, antidiarrheal that reduces intestinal motility. Q98. Lactulose, osmotic laxative for constipation and hepatic encephalopathy. Q99. Cycralphate, forms a protective coating over gastric ulcers.